12 seconds later.
We got a new package. Let's open this up. Where's my scissor? Special thank for Rubik's Cube Sri Lanka, sending this cube to me. Whoa, it's a Yuhu V2. Looks so nice. Let's do some first turns on this. It's crunchy but super satisfying to turn. Highly recommend in my first turns, this is so good. I know everyone loves to buy a new cube. I have a question. Are you looking for the best place to buy a new cube? I see. Let me tell you a secret.
Rubik's Cube Sri Lanka.
I had an amazing experience at the Rubik's Cube shop. The store had a wide selection of cubes in various sizes, colors, and difficulty levels. The staff was incredibly knowledgeable and friendly, offering helpful tips and recommendations based on my skill level. The prices were reasonable, and I appreciated the opportunity to try out some cubes before making a purchase. Overall, it's a fantastic place for both beginners and enthusiasts. Highly recommended. I always order cubes from this cubbing shop, and if you want to buy some new cubes, check out the description and contact that number and LCTBF page. And if this is your first time ordering cubes on this shop, you can use the discount code BIANURA9 to get a huge discount.
That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.